Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the wonderful May CatLady Box, and I recorded some of it, and I didn't, who knows what I did, because I get so excited about this box. Seriously, when I said, let me stop here and I'll come back, then I pressed the button. That's when I was recording. So the beginning we have missed. So I'm trying to redo the beginning. I can't show you the box the way it started because I've got Blue in there right now, okay? So, but y'all know what the CatLady Box looks like. I'll take a picture with a different CatLady Box so I have a thumbnail. But this, when you open it, this is the month of May. So it is, we are cat moms. So cat mom life is the theme. And this is the beautiful card. And it's a lady in bed sleeping. She has beautiful red hair and there's cats sitting on her, which is what my cats do. They like to do that. So the featured cat artist is Jamie Shellman. Jamie Shellman is the owner of The Dancing Cat, an online print and stationery shop featuring art for the moderately crazy cat lover. You can see more of her work at jamieshellman.com. And if you like her work, she's given us a coupon for 10% off anything you want to buy. It's CATROLL10, CATROLL 10. If you don't remember that, or if you need it, ask me and I'll give it to you from the CatLady Box. And this card, we always get a fabulous print where you can, you know, these are all frameable. And the back of the card does show what we have in the box and also tells us other information. So that is there. And when I started to open the box, Camille got right on top, so I had to sort of sneak things out. So I did pull this out. It was in a plastic bag, and I said, let me open this up. And it is, I heart my cat, like I heart New York. So this is a magnet, and you can put this on your car. You can put this on the refrigerator or wherever you have, you know, on your, maybe your computer case or something. It says, sometimes a simple magnet says it all. And it's outdoor safe, so you can't put it on your car. The value is $5.99 for this. And then also, things have been moved around, so let me see where the other item is. This was wrapped up as well, and I opened it up. This is really cute. I was gonna say this is my favorite piece, but then when you see everything else, I can't pick a favorite piece. As usual, this is wood. Yeah, it's wood, and it says cats. Can you see that? The cats. It's scripted out cats, and it's the cat sign. It says, let the world know home is where the cats are. The value is $14.99, and this is gonna go on my bookshelf. I have a whole wall of a built-in bookshelving. So that is where that will go. I love it. I love it. And now we'll go on to the rest of the video. I do apologize to CatLady Box for messing this up, but I think this happened to me last month, y'all, too, because I get so excited when this comes in. So I do have more to show you what's in the box, and then I have some video at the end of the cats, you know, looking at things. So thank y'all again, and hold on. This adorable kitchen towel. Isn't it cute, y'all? It's terry cloth, and it says Cat Craze dish towel. Cats are always guaranteed a VIP spot, even on the counter. Value is $10.99. Y'all, they throw me off. I didn't get to tell you everything about the CatLady Box that is on this fabulous card. The CatLady Box cares. So because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Animal Haven, Conquer the Colony, Tri-County Humane Society, Muncie Animal Rescue Fund, Bingo's Foundation, Good Karma Pet Rescue, plus 15 more. Wow. Wow, that's a good 20 or so, 20 or plus places they made donations to. Fantastic, CatLady Box. Thank you so much. And all right, so here is the towel, and now Blue is in the box because Camille had a little fight with me. She didn't like it that I was trying to move around in there, trying to get stuff out. There's a CatLady tag, and see, it's a really nice terry cloth. They don't skimp on stuff at the CatLady Box. So this is it. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, that's adorable. I love it. I love it. Love it, and we'll be using it for sure. Thank you, CatLady Box. I love that. I love that. And there's a bonus item in here too, y'all. So now we have there's always something that you can wear in here, and of course there is a cat t-shirt, a Cat Lady t-shirt. Look at this beautiful color for May. Let me find the top of it and I'll show you. Cat Mom 2024. Oh, I love that. I love that. Cat Mom 2024. It's, you know, their t-shirts are wonderful. They are 100% cotton and they're super soft. Let's see what it says about it. Cat Mom shirt, because it's for Mother's Day. Cat Mom. Even though I don't have any human children, I have cat children, so I'm a cat mom. So the Cat Mom shirt. Cat Mom life is the best life. Show off your cat mom pride every day. The value is $22.99 on the t-shirt. And isn't that cute? Cat Mom 2024, and I love that color. It's a mint green, really pretty mint green, and it's just super soft. It is 100% cotton. I'll look, but it is. So, oh, it isn't. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester. I think I already knew that. It feels like cotton, but it doesn't shrink when you wash it. It doesn't, I wash them carefully. So I do get big. I get a 3X. I should get a 1X or a 2X, maybe a 2X because of my middle. My middle has grown since my dog passed away. So I don't walk like I should. But anyway, love it. It's super soft. It feels like 100% cotton to me. Then we have the items for the kitty cat. And there is a bonus item for the cats. So we have this. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Their toys are so cute. This one is Meowie Side Up. Oh, it's an egg. Meowie Side Up, y'all. It's an egg. It's a fried egg. Meowie Side Up catnip toy. Get egg-sided. Your cat will have a cracking good time with this catnippy toy. Value of $5.99. So their toys, I think, always have catnip in them. And this is like a pillow, and it's filled with catnip. That's what was probably getting them going over there. And then the sunny side up is a kitty face. Isn't that cute? I know that this is something that Blue is gonna like. Aren't you, Blue? He's right here. Anyway, so that's adorable. And then the other toy is the Happy Hedgie catnip toy. This is so cute, y'all. You know, y'all hedgehog lovers? Oh, it's got crinklies in it. They love that. Smudge likes crinklies. Look at how cute he, well, first of all, the tag is always cute. And then look at how cute he is, y'all. He is the Happy Hedge catnip toy. This prickly pal is sure to bring a spike of quirkiness to your day. Value $5.99. He's not spiky at all. He's really soft, and then he's got the catnip in there, and he's got crinkly in his back. So when they go to lift him up, he's gonna be crinkly. That is so cute. Look at his cute little nose and his little heart on his belly. How cute is that? Hedgie the hedgehog. And then there's a bonus item. Y'all, at first I didn't see it on the card, but it is. It says bonus extra item. Custom scratcher insert, an instant upgrade to your cat's box sitting experience. Perfectly sized to fit your CatLady box. Value of $7.99. This is so cool. This is a scratching pad. You know, it's cardboard and it's for scratching. And they love this kind of thing. And this was in the bottom of the CatLady box. It fits in there perfectly. And you know they love the box, y'all. You know they love the box. So this can go in the bottom of that, and they can get in there and scratch. How much fun is that? Thank you, CatLady Box. They're treating me so well, as always, y'all. This is just such a fun box. So we have a box. The box is so much fun. We have the insert for scratching. We have the beautiful card. Like I said, you can frame these beautiful cards. We have Hedgie, and we have the sunny side up. The sunny up egg. I love this cat's sign. This is my favorite piece probably. This will go on my bookshelf in my living room. And the magnet, I love my cat. I can put that on my car, or I can put that on the fridge or something. And the towel, oh, I love it. I forgot. See, I can't pick a favorite because then I see something else that's a favorite. The fabulous towel. I love this towel. It's so cute. Look at the pretty the pretty kitties on it. Love it. And then the t-shirt, I always love their t-shirt, and I love the Cat Mom. 2024, I'll be starting to wear that right away, y'all. So I'll take some pictures, and hopefully, they look a little groggy. I'll try to get some of them, moving around with the toys. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Thank you, CatLady Box. We love you. Bye-bye, y'all. Hey, Blue, you like the box? Camille, are you coming up? She can't quite get in. She's in another box. Smudge, what are you up to over there? Come on. Come on. Here comes Camille. You gonna play, Smudge? There's a toy. You gonna play? Like that, yeah. He took over the kitchen towel. I was trying to take pictures. The usual, I'm trying to take pictures, y'all, of the gifts. She laid right on them. You nursing on that hedgehog, Smudge? I mean, Blue, why do I call you Smudge on camera? Beautiful boy. You like that hedgehog? He's cute, isn't he? I think he's nursing y'all. Look at that cute hedgehog. Look at that heart on his belly. How cute is that? You pretty boy.